Hey there, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. Today, we're going to take a look at a game-changing product that will revolutionize the way you organize your closet. Introducing the Closet Organizer Underwear Drawer Organizer Socks Bra Clothing Storage Box Clothes Cabinet Drawer Organizers Wardrobe Organizer. This organizer is a game changer. With meticulous stitching and high-quality materials, this organizer is built to last. Say goodbye to the days of rummaging through your drawer in search of a pair of socks or that one specific bra. This organizer allows you to arrange different items in a certain position, making it easy to find exactly what you need, when you need it. Not only is this organizer perfect for storing underwear, bras, socks, scarves, ties, and small personal items, but it's also lightweight and foldable, saving you valuable space when not in use. What sets this product apart is our commitment to providing you with the best customer service. With a large factory in China, we are able to offer you a wide range of high-quality products at the best prices. We also provide pictures or Excel CSV for inquiring, and our professional customer service team is always here to meet all your needs. So why wait? Say goodbye to the days of messy drawers and hello to organization and efficiency. Click the link in the description to get your hands on the Closet Organizer Underwear Drawer Organizer Socks Bra Clothing Storage Box Clothes Cabinet Drawer Organizers Wardrobe Organizer today. And remember, your satisfaction is our top priority, so if you have any issues, we're here to solve them for you. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more game-changing products like this one.